Discover natural beauty that glows without foundation. Simplicity meets confidence with the ALPS.26 Galactoing Cream. Nothing extra is needed, just pure skincare that lets your natural glow come through. Let your skin breathe and shine, anytime, anywhere. We would like to show 3 key strengths for customers who are interested in K-Cosmetic. Strength 1. Brighter skin begins with effortless daily care. Skip the cleansing step and let your skin glow naturally, anytime, anywhere. Achieve a polished, natural look without artificial tone-up or heavy coverage. Perfect for quick touch-ups during light outings with a fresh, comfortable finish. Strength 2. Proven results backed by clinical trials for real skin improvement. See visible radiance and smoothness after consistent use. Clinically proven improvements reveal brighter, more radiant, and deeply hydrated skin after use. Strength 3. Infused with Galactomyces, sea buckthorn, and niacinamide to nourish, energize, and brighten your skin. Experience clarity and nourishment from Galactomyces ferment filtrate. Experience clarity and nourishment from Galactomyces ferment filtrate. Revitalize tired skin with sea buckthorn fruit extract rich in vitamin B12. Brighten your complexion with 20,000 ppm of niacinamide. Create your own routine with an easy mix kit designed for simple daily use. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us